go get him?
I don't know.
Somebody ran that way. It might have been him.
He's drunk, probably.
Get him out of there, please.
Oh, nigga, let me call you back. That bitch smoking too.
He's smoking too.
Hell yeah.
In the police department. Yeah, get on down. Buddy done straight into the damn pole. They go one right there. They said the other one's come running.
I'm straight.
You want to stand up? We want to make.
I'm good. Oh shit.
Right here.
Are they good? Is Trent good?
How you doing, sir? The other guy, we don't know who's the other guy.
Yeah, she know. Oh shit, time to go. Oh shit, time to go. Damn. You know if you don't get up out of here, close your ass in. Yeah, yep. Can't let them block me in right now. They said his homeboy ran. God damn. I'm just coming home from work. Yeah, they got it lit up on Pass Road, bro.